I'm Cav, founder of Stride Leadership, and we're here this morning with PICS, and we're absolutely thrilled to be delivering a workshop and team builder for them rooted in building psychologically safe workplaces. The work that we do at Stride is really to provide organizations and individuals with the tools to be most effective at what it is that they do, and most importantly, be in an inclusive workplace where they're having a great time and putting out their best work and collaborating effectively with those around them. Personally speaking, it's a big day. It's a big day for me in the sense that we have an opportunity to engage an organization that's so deeply rooted in our community and creating opportunities for new people that have just come to Canada recently. And so yeah, we're looking forward to having a really fun day. Thank you again, PICS.